Welcome to Gingy's Kitchen. Today we're making grilled chicken. Grilled chicken breast. We cut the chicken breast, season it with salt and a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder and a little bit of pepper. Yes, we grilled it. It looks yummy and juicy. And afterwards, we're gonna put this in our salad. Hello mga ka, here's my queen salad with chicken breast. The ingredients are as follows. We have lettuce, radicchio, cucumber, and grilled chicken. I'm gonna season it with just the Mediterranean sea salt, extra virgin olive oil, and red wine vinegar. Okay, this is healthy